Hey, this is Chad from iSpypens.com, and today I'm going to show you how to properly charge your device.
The first step is to unscrew the bottom half of the pen. The device is now prepared to be inserted into your computer, but you need to ensure that the metal is facing up when you insert the device into your USB port. The indicator light will flash yellow, signifying your device is properly charging, and it will turn solid yellow when the device is fully charged. I wanted to personally thank you for your purchase with iSpyPens. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to contact our customer support.
I'm sick of getting in arguments about who said what during meetings at work. I have a lot of meetings with a lot of important discussions, and we often end up in he said, she said situations. The iSpyPen Pro X is a high-quality recording device in the design of a Mont Blanc ballpoint pen. It's really easy to use. You just press and hold the button here, and it starts recording. You can stream it instantly to your computer, phone, or tablet. Now, I can play back every important meeting and hear every word. If you work in an office, get yourself an iSpyPen Pro X. It's incredibly useful.
Through the course of going through law enforcement, I learned a lot of my knowledge and experience within investigations, and I took that and I incorporated it into building a company, which is now Sharpline Investigations. There's many cases where you might need to go into a specific location, and carrying a camera around with you out in the open is not going to work very well for you. The makeup of the pen is ideal and it's perfect. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's just the right size to be able to utilize it for the cases that you need. I would recommend Defense Pen to anybody within the private investigations industry. It's very cutting edge, and it's something that's going to be able to gain you the success and information that you're looking for.
I was looking for a product that I can use on a daily basis. That's when I noticed iSpyPens. I've used it during lectures, used it outside of school, used it during any events I attended, and really the question wasn't on a classroom setting, but this pen's really for all of my uses. I definitely would recommend this product. This product has not only helped me enrich my university experience, but also provide a safe and security frame of mind when it's with me.
3 reasons why this spy pen is the best thing I bought all year. The pen records up to 4 hours straight in a single session. With other pens, the video is terrible, or the sound is grainy, or the battery dies in minutes. There's nothing to install, it works right out of the box, and I can easily watch my recordings right away on my phone. The luxury design hides the fact that it's a spy pen, and it doubles as a great writing tool. Now I know I'll always have evidence if there's a dispute. If you've always wanted a spy pen, you're going to love the iSpyPen Pro X.